Hey guys, Uncle Ray. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Bellwether. You know, I do a lot of scam videos because crypto is risky enough, and I truly believe that people can make life-changing investments for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years through crypto and digital assets. So when I see a project that I truly believe is a straight up scam, it kind of ticks me off because I care about my community. And this is not financial advice, but I treat your money like it's my money. That's how I think about it. Again, not financial advice, do your own research. But uh, I I come across these because I do so much research. Now, this particular video is about Bitcoin Spawn, and it's btc-spawn.com. Now, they do a lot of advertisement. It kept popping up in my feed. And when you see words like this, double your Bitcoin in just 1 week, it gets your attention. But for me, I see all the advertisements. That's a red flag. You don't see Ethereum or Bitcoin advertisements because you don't have to, because the crypto community knows what's real and what's BS. And so anyway, I clicked on it. It's an arbitrage bot. Now, according to them, you just set it up and leave it, and it just does arbitrage for Bitcoin on all these exchanges, which quite frankly, guys, if you're tech savvy enough and you know how arbitrage works, that concept is great. I actually wish I was a little more tech savvy and could move through my MetaMask faster. I would probably sit down and be doing a lot of it. However, I personally believe this is just a straight up scam, and the only person that's going to be doubling their Bitcoin every week is the guy that set this up, and he's going to be doing it with your money and your Bitcoin. Now, check this out, guys. And regulation, guys, no matter what, will be coming after people like this. Oh, but that's right. We don't know who he is. We don't know what country he's from. We don't know anything about him. Why would I buy your bot or anything from someone I have no idea who they are? Well, I'm going back down the rabbit hole on a whole different project, but I see this on Coin Market Calendar, which is, by the way, guys, a great resource. If you've never been there, it's a great resource. Coin Market Calendar. Now, and I saw this, it said 5 questions to Edwin Perklin, creator of the Bitcoin Spawn arbitrage bot, with 100% weekly return. So I was like, wow, okay, we know who this guy is. I might need to go back down the rabbit hole, figure out, if he's legit, because I do know some guys that have some bots working, and they're really excited about it. And I know one guy that literally, he doesn't make anything like 100% a week, but he's turned about $1,000 into I think 17,000 in about 9 months with his bot. So I know that they can work. However, a legit bot, you can find which developer created it, and maybe even send him a message and talk to him about it. You can read the reviews, you can go to their Twitter account, things like that. You can't do that with this guy. Well, anyway, I did Google Edwin Perklin. Nothing came up, which was, not a surprise. So that's just a name. He could be anywhere in the world, or it might not be real, and there's no way we'll ever know. But guys, when you read through this, it tells you how phenomenal this is. And literally, he's got a degree from the University of Washington in computer science, and he used this for 2 years, and it just makes money hand over fist, basically, right? And he just brags about himself, brags about the product all the way through, 100% a week. let's see, forecasts turn out to be correct in 98% of the cases. Wow, it's amazing, right? It's secure, it's safe, pretty much no risk at all. Just buy it. Now, this is appeared to be an article that a reporter was asking the founder, the creator, right? But then here's the thing, guys. See, and this is how you always know. See, they act like they're being interviewed by someone, but it's a paid for ad. So you get, if you don't pay attention, you're thinking that Coin Market Calendar is interviewing this guy and that he's legit. And then it's just an article that he's interviewing himself and wrote all these amazing things about himself. And it's a paid article, and it's everywhere, guys. It's not just there. It's probably in 25 publications around the world. Now, in my opinion, everything about it is a scam. Even if it was free, I wouldn't spend the time and effort it would take to set it up to find out whether it worked or not. That's just me. If you, if you think it's something you might want to look at, have at it. But guys, that's not the bot for you. I truly believe that. Not financial advice. It's your money. Do with it what you may. But I try to protect my community. If you agree with what I've said, please share this with like-minded people. I don't like the community to get ripped off. There are so many great projects out there. Matter of fact, I just did, if you're looking for something with a 50x type risk reward, I just did a video about Ethereum. They're with the Fed now, which you've probably heard of, and I'll leave that link in the description. Check that video out, guys. Now, again, not financial advice, but before you put any money in these junk projects, look at the legit projects, because, guys, crypto is risky enough. And just know this, guys, we're going into a recession. Times are going to get tough. This is not time to FOMO into anything. I don't care what happens in the morning. If we wake up and Bitcoin is pumping to 30,000, it's not going to maintain that pump. It's not. We're in a recession already, and it's going to get worse. Something's going to break, and all these cryptos, in my opinion, real estate, stocks, everything is going to go test its lows and probably crash through all of them. Now, for the informed, they're going to get to stacking, and this is when and how you really make life-changing advancements through investing, is when, like that old saying, buy when there's blood in the streets. Guys, there's just a little bit of blood here and there, but it's coming. So be careful about what you stack. Be careful. I damn sure don't want a robot trading my money if we wake up in the morning and Bitcoin's down to $10,000, because it works both ways. It can make you money and lose you money, guys. Anyway, that's just my opinion, but I'm really excited about crypto. Guys, we probably got about 18 months, something like that, to get to stacking. I don't know how long, but something's going to break. Find a handful of projects. That's what I suggest. Get to stacking. Look on just go to my channel, click the videos, scroll down. I've got videos on HBAR and Ethereum and Matic and Constellation DAG. There are so many great projects to really put your money into that might actually change your life. But it's important that you can think for yourself, you do your own homework, and you understand, educate yourself during this time, work hard, make money, and get to stacking. That's my suggestion. Because this next bull run, guys, is going to be out of this world. It may be 18 months, 2 years from now, maybe even 2.5 years from now. I don't know. But the next real bull run, when the Fed cuts on the money printer, I think it's going to be long and it's going to be massive. Anyway, guys, I couldn't be more excited. I know we got a lot of fear coming in to the economy and to the world and to families. It's going to get ugly, but hang in there, guys, and be part of this community. We'd love you to subscribe. We'll try to walk you through it because I have a couple of sayings, but one of them is if the majority were right, the majority would be rich. And when Bitcoin gets down, sniffing around $10,000 or even where it's at right now, we're not going to have any fear. We're going to stack all the way down to the bottom. We're going to keep stacking until we run out of money. That's what I'm going to do. Again, not financial advice, but you got to have conviction, guys. And I go down the rabbit hole and I'm searching every single day for the best of the best. And I truly believe I've found them. And I'll switch tomorrow, but I back every project up with hours and hours and hours of research from the founder to the tokenomics and everything in between. But the biggest thing, guys, is to find real world utility and then find where the big money's parking their money, which projects are they behind, and that'll show you, give you the best indication of what to expect in the next bull run. Because we've got regulation, we've got so much coming out, but guys, the opportunity is immense. I don't want you to get scared. I don't want you to get scammed. I want you to make money in this next bull run, and this is exciting times. Educate yourself. Anyway, guys, I get to rambling. Sorry about that. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments section. If you know anything about this bot, tell me. Am I wrong? I don't think so, but I think it's a scam project, and if it's not, there's a lot of dishonesty, and I think when regulation comes down, it's definitely going after projects like this because you can't run an ad saying double your anything in a week. Not to mention, it's just not going to happen. All right, guys, take care.